Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit your Instagram stories from your laptop. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your Instagram on the Google Chrome, and after you open up your Instagram, you can see there's no option for your story right now. Now to appear your story on your Instagram on your PC, you just have to go onto these three dots which is on the top right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see the option for more tools. Now just hover over your mouse and this option will again pop up. Now go on to developer tools. After you do so, this pop-up will appear, and now click on this icon which is like a PC and a mobile phone beside the elements. If you click on this, the Instagram on your PC will be the same as one in your mobile phone. Now after doing so, just refresh your page. After your page is refreshed, now you can see that there is the option to add to your story, and you can just click on this plus icon right beside the hearts, and you can see the option for post and story. If you click on story, now you can see you can add any pictures to your story. Just select one photo and open it up, and after you do so, this type of screen will appear where now you can edit your photo, which you can add text, add emojis, or even doodle on the image for your choice. And that's how you can edit Instagram stories on your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.